Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called language and tap on it. And now you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you like to use on your watch, for example, Deutsch, and tap on it to select it. Oh, my bad, Deutsch. And once you select the language, it will ask you if you want to set it. Tap on the check mark to confirm. And after a second or two, the language should be changed. So if we go back to the options, you can see that the language changed. Now let's change it back to English. So let's select English, tap on the check mark like this, and the English is back, as you can see. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.